So, kia ora, Jess.
Kia ora Grant.
So, Jess, you did the bootcamp course back in January 2018.
Aye.
Awesome. And we're just on this call now, just going to quickly go through a few questions and get your thoughts and your feelings and your responses on a few different things and, how you went through the course. Sweet.
Kapai.
Kapai. All right. So, I guess the first question, what were things like before you took the course? So, where were you sort of at in regards to Te Reo and all that sort of stuff?
Okay. So, can I speak in Māori for this one, just, and then I'll quickly translate? All right.
Yep.
So, I haere o te kura o Hato Hohepa I te tau kotahi mano iwa te 𝐿𝐼. He pai au ki te tuhi me te kōrero I te reo Māori, engari ka taia e au ki ahi te reiria ki Piripani I te taurua mano e rua. Kaore e whakamahia e au. No te mea kaore au e whakamahia te reo, kua ngaroa ōpū reo. Engari, ka huri mai au ki tēnei wā, ka rongo au I te karanga o ōpū tūpuna. Ki te pīra, ki te kohi I tōku reo, ka timata mai anō ki te mahia, ki te kōrero I a ōpū reo rangatira. So basically, I came over to Australia in 2002, straight out of Hato Hohepa. I was confident at using reo, especially writing it, but I've been here for 16 years and I didn't use it. So essentially I lost it. And so that's where I was placed before starting the course.
Yeah.
Right.
Ka pai. Yeah. You don't use it, you'll lose it. I think that's a pretty common catchphrase. Yeah. So when you saw the course pop up, I think you'd been maybe following the kaupapa for a little while. What were sort of some of the obstacles that might have prevented you from joining? Were you, a bit uncertain about anything with it?
Yep. So the only thing that really would have stopped me from joining, to be honest, because my desire to learn and reconnect was there, would have been the monetary side, unfortunately. It's not expensive by any means. If I didn't have that money, I probably wouldn't have been able to jump on board. However, in saying that, because I was so, my desire was so strong, I would have made a budget so I could have joined the next one.
Yeah,
so
right.
That would have been the only thing. I don't think, again, $199 is a small investment for our reo, honestly. But that's the only thing, because everything else was all full steam, go ahead.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Cool. And, going through, obviously went through the course for the 30 days. What did you sort of find as a result from doing the course? There's probably lots of different things, but maybe touch on maybe the number one or number two sorts of things.
Yep. Sorry, what did you find as a result of taking the course? Is that what it was?
Yeah.
As a result, I've continued on my journey. So I found a weekly class that I now attend, which is from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. So it's 3 hours per week. But so that's one thing that's really cool. The other thing is that I do Maurako, so we have to become knowledgeable in this realm of kōrero, not whai kōrero, but we have a responsibility to teach our tauira as we move up, and in order to do that, we must represent our culture. So that's been another result, understanding that I am the example for those that I teach.
Good. So it sounds like it sort of put you on a bit more of the projection that you were sort of looking to go, and we were talking before this course call about all the different things that you're doing at the moment. So it sounds like it sort of helped give you maybe a bit of a kick up the bum that you might have been looking for.
Yeah, definitely. And also as a result, just re-strengthening that connection with our whakapapa. It's always there. It's always going to be there. It runs through our blood. So just stay with it. Stay with the kaupapa. But yeah.
Cool. Can't wait. Number 5. So from all that, would you recommend the course to other people? Would you recommend other people take this course? And if so, why?
Absolutely. Obviously, I wrote this. The reason why is because your course, no fuss, there's no mess. It's essentially up to the individual to show up every day. And you offer, all of these resources on this platform that's easily accessible through online. We're always on Facebook, so there's no excuse that we don't have the availability or these resources available for us. So yes, definitely, if you're looking for an easy way to kickstart or reconnect, I would definitely say jump on board with Grant. It is amazing. And in saying that, you connect with people all over the world. So I know I'm a people person, so I enjoy that type of thing. But if you're restricted like in Australia and you don't have contact with your whānau in New Zealand, this is a way to meet people and interact.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's really good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do it, whānau.
Can't wait. And yeah, we've had so I think we've had quite a few from America, one from Costa Rica, there's been a few from Canada, obviously lots from Australia, New Zealand. I think we even had a guy from like Austria or something, like in Austria.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, so that was cool. So yeah, it really is taking a bit of a heading global, which is good, which is, one of the main sort of outcomes that I'm going for. And cool. So do you have anything else that you'd like to share with anyone? Final sort of thoughts, if, for anyone out there that's considering doing the course?
Yeah. Just listen to your heart's desire and just follow what we already have that's inside of us. And that starts with our identity through our whakapapa. Our language holds many, many in-depth meanings, different coded messages from above, from our tūna. Once you start, seeing all of these things, feeling it all within your wairua, it's beautiful. And that's what I would say. And I really enjoyed when we were doing the course, becoming accountable online. So people may not be very confident, but we had to speak on camera through live videos, and that really enabled us to sort of get over that hurdle of being whakamā. So I really like that concept of your team.
Yeah. I don't think there was one person that actually wanted to do that before it. Everyone was terrified.
No.
And then everyone just got love and support of everyone. It was from all their, whānau and friends. So that was really cool to see.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Awesome, Grant. Yeah.
Thank you, Jess. Thank you for sharing all that.